And the reason I'm here is I want to record the church bells ringing. It just so happens to be carrying out a casket. Can you see that? At a funeral here, apparently. Not too many people at the funeral, but it's coming up on noon, and these church bells should be ringing. See, opening the door to, I don't know if you can see it, opening the door to the casket. Putting the casket in. But that's not why I'm here. I want to hear the church bells ringing. It should be ringing. It's a little past noon. Oh well. Maybe they turned the bells off so they wouldn't go off when they were carrying the casket out. There's 7-Eleven over there. Well, I'm running out of gigabytes, so I don't know. I guess the bells aren't going to be going off. I guess the bells are not. Hey, there it goes. Bum 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 bum. What? But it usually sounds different than that. I think that they changed the way the church bells chime. I think they changed the sound.